tondu mwena guthikiriria medekithia matiganite kuma kuri anyiti itemi ngurani na kuria umuthi uria wakiri munene wa wathoeamos wako edikitheirie Kamitii ino kana ya guthodekwo kwa kauntis ati hindi ya guthodekwo kwa kauntis nimaikorirwo magika mahitia kuona ati nimaikorirwo magitigirira na nja gicigo kia muigi na kiria kiri mwena wa kitui gukiri uguo ni anyitetwo mbaru ni seneta wa kitui wambua uria wendekitheirie Kamitii ino gukorwo igitua gicigo giki kia muigi kaunti. Ni ripoti iria tukihaririirio ni mwandikite Maina wa Mucwe.
Uria wari munene wa wathoeamos wako agikinya mbere ya Kamitii ya gibururi ya Uigunao augite ati kuongererwo gwa kaunti ingi ni undu muritu na wakendekithia hindi ya nyongerera iria yekekire muigi yabatairwo ni gukorwo imwe wacio hindi mahitia makiyumiria na ikiriganira indi ni yabatairio gukuruhanio.
As a model, and it was the 47 counties, everybody agreed, and you have 47 counties. Now to take the very grave step to add, or take a very grave step to deduct, I suggest it's not a matter that can be lightly handled through the committee.
Medekithia make ni manyitirwo mbaru ni seneta wa Kitui Enoch Wambua agikinyia medekithia make mbere ya Kamitii ino na kuhoya kaunti ino ikuruhanio akigweta icunje iria igwikika mogaruruku thiini wa gatiba.
It's attached my proposal, and for the ease of reference, the only thing that we are looking at doing is actually amending only 3 sections of the Constitution. Article 97 of the Constitution, that makes reference to 47 women representatives. We change that to read 48. Article 98, which makes reference to 47 senators, we move to 48.
Ruhonge rwa motungata ma muigi undu umwe na uthurimi wa mishara rugite ona thengia wa thogora wa muturire kwambatira mishara itigitwo itari nyongere.
Subjecting your payslip to those deductions, then you are leading an honest life. So, Chair, when the issue of taxes and levies to come in, when the housing levy came in, those pay slips are already at 1/3. The housing levy did not increase. Our recommendation was to maybe mitigate, either put the housing levy on the basic salary or progressively increase it. But we did not say that the housing levy should be done away with.
Ringana na data ciao aruti a wira a thirikari mamukagira gicunje kia 1/3 ya mushara wao makihoya guthurimwo kwa nyongerera ya magoti niguo kumanyihiria morito maracemani nao na makiria nyongerera ya igoti ya gwakwo kwa nyumba cia raithi.
Chair, on the issue of the taxation, when you get a pay slip and you get a pay at the end of the month, and I believe this was misconstrued, what you do with that pay slip is up to you. Whether you want to subject it to 0, that's up to you. So the information we have here, this 1/3 has been progressed.
Anyiti itemi kuma ruhonge rwa nduriri na makiria muno makiuma kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay medekitheitie kuongererwo gwa kahinda ka gwathana ka mutongoria wa bururi nginyagia miaka 10 kumania na hau akahumuka wira we na munini wake uko naguo muigi gwikuruhanio hari kuhagurwo kwa atongoria.
All sovereign powers belongs to the people of Kenya and shall be, underline the wording shall, mandatory, be exercised only in accordance with this constitution.
Ripotera Mutingi TV, rekone Maina wa Mucwe.
Ni ngatho Maina wa Mucwe ni tondu